Hi there, people. Marius Potgieter in Knysna. Sorry for my 3-week absence. Did some research on the marketing of my book when dust remembers. And of course, as you can hear from my blocked nose, I got stuck with a horrible flu this time of the early summer in South Africa. I discovered that selling of a book when you publish it is a different kettle of fish. And I really did a lot of research. Now, if you got a bank full of money, and if that is not, budget is not a problem, then you can use professional people to do that. Of course, none of those is to my availability. So I did my research and I discovered that, especially with Amazon, what is very important is the fact that your book needs reviews. And the more reviews you have, the more exposure the book gets. So what I am doing, as from tomorrow morning, which will be Sunday, I am changing the price for When Dust Remembers from $25 to $15. And the Kindle, I'm changing that to $3. And that will only be for one calendar month. And the reason why I'm doing that, I'll ask you people to support me and to buy the book. Go on to Amazon KDP, type in When Dust Remembers, and you will get the book. I will show you the ASIN code for the book a little later on, because a lot of people ask me for a link. With Amazon, it's not a link. You go into Amazon, go to Amazon KDP, go into books, novels, science fiction, whatever genre you're looking at, When Dust Remembers, and you will get the book. Now, what I'm asking you is the following. I can't pay people to do reviews because that is completely against the Amazon rule. They will ban me. But I can ask you, if you don't want to buy the book, to take this video and to spread it to friends and family that they can see and support me. But if you want to buy the book and support me, what I need is reviews. You don't have to be an author. You don't have to be a literacy person. Just give me your honest opinion. In short, you can even do it anonymous. What I need is reviews. My target for this week is to have at least 20 reviews. And by this month, end of this month, I want 100 reviews on the book. And for that, I need a lot of assistance. I need a lot of help. If you go to professional people, they go to the link above and things like that. I can't do that. I don't have the skills to do all those fancy things. I'm sitting with a cell phone recording this. This is what you will be looking at. Now, what you see here is what you will find on Amazon. You will find When Dust Remember by Marius Potgieter on Amazon KDP. That ASIN number, that is the number for the book. And that is the international number for this book. So yes, if you buy the book, $15 is nothing. $15 is nothing. The printing and the delivery of this book is close to $11. So yes, and of course you're getting a very nice quality print in full color, the photos, with links to music and everything part of the book. So yes, let me put this down here again. And have a look. When Dust Remembers, Marius Potgieter, Amazon KDP, ASIN number for the military people out there. Bravo, Oscar, Foxtrot, Tango, 8, Quebec, 3, Romeo, 4, Hotel. Enjoy that one. But yes, that is the ASIN number on the book. Now let's go back to basics again. People, please share this video. Share it with your friends, and if you can, go out of your way to support me. I'm a small fish in a very big pond, and the big printing houses got millions. I've got nothing, but I have a fantastic book. Let's quickly talk about the book. If you like South Africa, if you like Africa, you will like the book. If you like the fact that good will always win over evil, you will like the book. If you like science fiction, thinking about things that is mentioned in the book, that is new discoveries, new possibilities for the human race. If you see how genuine good people can stand together and take a country that's completely destroyed by politicians, and by moving politicians out of the way, how a society can recover to be a proud nation again, then this is your type of book. You don't have to be out of South Africa or Africa, anywhere in the world. This is a book about change. This is a book about progress. Lovely day for you guys. Once again, when dust remembers. Have a beautiful weekend. I'll chat to you next week. Bye-bye.